So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn any video to an MP3 audio file just by using the VLC Media Player. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the VLC Media Player on your Windows devices, or you can do the same process on the Mac as well. Now here, click on this option of media, and here you'll see this option of convert and save. Click over there, hit on this option of add, and here you need to add the video to which you want to convert to the MP3 file. Now, once you select it, just simply hit on this option of convert and save. And here you'll see this option of convert. Click on convert. Now, from here, you need to select the designation of file. That means the place where the file is going to save, and just simply hit on this option of browse, and let's say I want to save the video here only, and hit on this option of convert. Now once you select the location, hit on this option of start, and you'll notice that the video will start to convert, and it will convert to MP3.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.